In this video, I'll show you how to open a Trading212 demo account. So here we are on app.trading212.com, which is the dashboard, and you don't actually need to do anything special to use the demo account. There's nothing you need to open, right? All you need to do is by default, you'll be on CFDs on the top left, and all you need to do is pick a stock, any of them from the list here, or you can even use the search feature on the top right to search for a specific stock. So we'll click on NVIDIA over here, and we can click on sell or buy, and that'll bring up this window which will give us the option to practice with virtual money. And once we click on that, it'll load up a whole new window, and we are now officially using a demo account. We can click on sell, we can click on buy, and everything you do here will be using virtual money. Feel free to experiment and read up on how to use Trading212. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.